Hey, in this Camtasia tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the color and make everything look beautiful and more nice. So I have here a picture and a 4K video which I downloaded from Pexels, and let's see how can we adjust the brightness, the contrast and the saturation so we can make everything look like I don't know, it's from a story. So let's zoom in a little bit. You will have to go here to the visual effects and let's drag and drop the color adjustments and drop it on the photo. We have brightness, contrast and saturation. Let's go everything to 0, which is default. These values are before I added the color adjustments, visual effects. Now with brightness, let's increase it maybe to 4 or 5. Contrast 4. All right, maybe too much. What about 2? And saturation, let's have a look. Is this one exaggerated? I think it is. Let's go somewhere in between, maybe 39 will do. And now how can I paste these settings to the video without doing the same settings? So I'll just right click on the photo and now we can copy effects. If I'll press here and now on the video click once on it, right click on it now and paste effects. And now I just copied the visual effects which I did earlier to the video, and it's a lot nicer. If you want to adjust multiple items to the timeline at the same time, just select all of them, and now if I will go to brightness, I don't know, to the maximum, we can see the photo is the same. This is how to edit multiple items at the same time. So this is how to adjust colors in Camtasia Studio. I hope this tutorial helped you out and I hope you have a great day.